Good evening, this is Jeremy Lessie with StreamSDK, and tonight I'm trying to decide between this black chair on my left and the brown chair on my right. As you can see, both of these chairs have nice leather finishes. Of course, the brown leather chair on my right isn't actually there at all. That is augmented reality that's being rendered on my iPhone 7 and embedded in a video frame that is then transmitted across the internet to my MacBook Pro, where this video is actually being recorded. And you can hear the audio that's being sent over the internet as well. Another neat feature is that I can actually control this simulation from my MacBook Pro. So I can move this chair, I can move it forward, back, see here, left, right. And StreamSDK handles all that audio, video, and input streaming. I set this demo up in about 5 minutes. I actually spent more time doing the lighting and materials for the chair than I did doing the networking with StreamSDK, which just involved dragging a couple of prefabs into the scene. So you can imagine that something like this could be used so that I could connect to an interior designer anywhere in the world at any time, and they could actually help me decorate this drab office, make it look a little bit better. And they could drive that experience. They could actually have a fairly nice user experience on their end that gives them some complexity that they can drive, and they can then help the homeowner or user to decorate their home, with ease. So the user is just sort of in the experience and checking things out, giving them their feedback, while the expert is there on the other side, doing a lot of the detailed work. So I'm really excited about the development and the explosion of augmented reality technology. I think it's going to change the world. There's so many people that I've connected with recently on LinkedIn and other places that are excited and making great things in this world. And I'm looking forward to helping empower people's projects in this new collaborative era. So please send any questions you may have to support@midnightstatus.com. And of course, you can also go by StreamSDK.com to download any demos. And StreamSDK is available on the Unity Asset Store. And it works cross-platform, so you can use this with iOS, Android, PC, Mac, web, HoloLens, etc. So thanks for watching, and have a great night.